Hello everyone, it's Awopuska Jenny again. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In my previous videos, I have been talking about Google applications. We learned about Google Maps, Google Drive, Gmail, and many others. So I hope you have learned how to use those. I hope you're not going to get stranded anywhere as long as you have data on your device. So today we are going to talk briefly about YouTube. Yes, so you can simply search for it here. YouTube, then you click on it, or when you don't want, you can come to this nine dots. So here you clicked on it, you can get a link for your YouTube. So I showed you how you can simply search here and tap on the link, and then you enter into YouTube, or you can still come to our 9 dots, but it's taking long to begin. So you can just say YouTube, then you click on it. So it's going to search. Yes, then you come and click on the first link and you wait for it to load. So as it's loading, we can be talking about YouTube. So there are very many applications of YouTube. You can use YouTube to study. Actually, you don't have to struggle in school simply because something is hard to understand. No, YouTube is going to provide you with several videos which can help you to learn whatever is bothering you at school easily. Then also it's going to give you different study tips in case the other one is not working out for you. So it's going to accommodate all sorts of learners. And so yeah, I was telling you how we can use YouTube to study. So you can just come and search here on what you have to study. So let's say we're going to do, let's say, the cubic tool. Maybe it has been disturbing you. You realize that it's going to give you here several videos which you can choose from depending on the amount of time you have. You realize that some are short, some are longer. So let's say you have very little time to study. You can just come to shorts and then you search for any video that you want. You're going to choose it, but here yes, that's a sample. Let's go back to home. So that is YouTube for studies. You can also ask YouTube anything. So let's say your phone is misbehaving, or let's say you want to go somewhere and you're lost. So you can simply ask it for a what? You can simply ask let's say Google Map. So it's going to give you a Google Map. Then now you can log into and then type in your location, and yes, it's going to give you the directions and everything. So it's going to show you how to use the Google Map, so you can simply apply it so that you don't get lost anywhere. So we can also use YouTube for entertainment. You can check the newest songs released, so we can maybe say current songs 2025. And then also you can use YouTube to watch news from all over the world. So it's going to give you news from any country that you want. So we can search for, the wars taking place or anything else that you want to know. So briefly, that is about YouTube. Well, you can also earn money from YouTube, by the way. So you can simply open your channel and you start posting your content. You become a content creator. So let's ask YouTube how many people view every day. So how many people use YouTube, let's say daily? Then you search for it. You realize that very many people use YouTube on a daily basis, and that means you can earn money from any video that you make and you post on YouTube. Well, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you learned something from it. I hope you now know the different applications and the uses, the importance of YouTube, and I hope you have been learning something from all my previous videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much.